Here are some seed starting supplies that you might want to start getting now if you are planning on starting a garden this year, or if this is your first time and you want to learn how I start seeds indoors. These are some supplies that I'll be using in my videos in the upcoming future. So get your hands on these supplies now if you want to follow along with me and grow as I grow. You'll want some seed starting mix. Here I have sifted compost that I make myself, but you can also just buy some like Jiffy seed starting mix from Walmart, which is fine. And all the other products I'm going to show can be found in my Amazon storefront. So you'll want to get some of these seed trays that are shown here. They do not have holes in the bottom. And then I like to use these 3-inch seed cups especially for starting tomatoes and peppers. If you don't want to buy those seed cups, you can save plastic cups like this from ricotta cheese or yogurt, things like that. You can save up those to start if you don't want to buy something like these. You may want some seed starter cells like these, like 6-pack cells to start seeds in. These are good for different kinds of plants. And as I've shown in previous videos already, you may want some of these condiment containers with lids. It's a good way to germinate some types of seeds. That's how I germinated these peppers. And I also germinate tomato seeds that way. You may want to save some fruit containers like this that you get from the grocery. Blueberries, strawberries, things like that come in these. They have holes in the bottom already and a lid. So these are perfect for starting things like lettuce and onions. I'll be starting in these kind of containers. And then you might want to get a dome, 1 or 2 domes that you can put over your seed starting trays when you're starting your seeds and trying to get them to germinate. It just helps kind of keep the heat in and the moisture in. Then you want some kind of water-soluble fertilizer for your seeds. This is one kind that I use, but there's lots of kinds out there. So you'll want some sort of lighting set up for your seeds, and in the previous couple videos you can look at different light setups that I talked about. And then I also use some plastic plant tags with a special kind of marker that won't wash away or fade in the sun. So you want to mark all your seedlings that you start. And then of course you'll want to get your hands on your seeds. So you want to buy any seeds that you're interested in. And these are from M.I. Gardener, but I have previous videos on all the seeds that I'll be starting. So if you're a beginner gardener, I would highly suggest that you only start maybe 3 plants at the most this year just to get started, and so you're not overwhelmed. But follow along with me and I'll help you out with everything along the way.